Hey, what's up, everybody? JL the Seagull with you once again. We gotta whisper because the truth is powerful, and the truth scares people. And I'm not one to be afraid. I don't think we should be afraid right now, but I think that I think a lot of people don't understand that we're only getting half of the truth when you tune into the Illuminati, to the, and also, there's a lot of energy there, but, I don't think there's anything to be afraid of, because if we look at each other, we aren't the enemy. If you look at the Iranian people who are the victims, would you see them as your enemy? And I think that's the sin of separation, and that's not true. The government is trying to do what they're trying to do. And I'm not about to be afraid of the Illuminati. But, so are we going to be afraid of the Iranian people, or is really the vibration coming from, this one place, from the media? There are things we should be concerned about, but what are they? That's the question. Having been given this opportunity to be able to talk to you, it's just me bringing up a question, and I think a lot of people, they don't like to think or understand that, it's actually for the benefit of everybody. I'm not thinking just one person selfishly. I'm trying to think selflessly, and ironically, that's the best way. So, I love you guys. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye for now.